Do not be heartbroken. Life has no shortcuts. Suffering brings out spiritual growth. Try to fail, but don't fail to try. We should never try to escape from situations that are not to our liking. We have to learn to function in all kinds of situations, in the marketplace, in the crowd or alone, with friends or enemies, in all kinds of challenges. All these experiences make us more conscious and mature. Don't escape from any situation. If you escape, then something will remain missing in you. Live life in its multidimensionality. Life is the greatest adventure there is. It is a call and a challenge to all those who have courage, guts, and intelligence. It is not for cowards, it is for people who want to live dangerously. The primal aspect of life is movement. Without movement, there is neither action, speech, nor experience. If there is no movement, there is no growth, no progress. If none of these are there, then there is no life, no universe. Understand that life is not going to be according to our likes and dislikes. The rise and the ebb of sea waves are not determined by the wishes of those using its water. The sun is not going to rise or set in ways desired by those affected by light or darkness. Wisdom is choosing to swim or surf when the waves are favorable, in working and resting in harmony with the day-night cycle. The waves are not cruel or unkind to the surfer or swimmer. In fact, the higher the waves, the greater the surfer's joy, but more perilous to a swimmer. Nature by itself is neither kind nor cruel. We can look upon difficulties as nature's act of kindness. In the face of difficulties, we develop survival skills that would otherwise lie dormant, much as the sweat and fatigue of weight training lead to developing tough muscles. In fact, life would be terribly dull if everything went according to a pre-written script. Sometimes, in traveling a path, we discover a shortcut and we reach our destination in less time and with less effort than we thought. When we began the journey, would be required of us. However, there is no shortcuts in life. First, experience suffering in its total intensity. It will be difficult. You may start crying like a child or rolling on the ground in pain. You become aware that the pain is not only in the heart, it is all over the body, that your body is nothing but the pain. If you can experience it, then start absorbing it. It is such a valuable energy. Don't throw it away. Accept it, welcome it, and feel grateful to it. And say to yourself, I am not going to throw it away. This time I will take it in. This time I will digest it. When it happens for the first time, when your own suffering is absorbed willingly, it becomes a great blessing. The same energy that becomes hate becomes love. That which is pain becomes pleasure, and the same energy that becomes suffering becomes bliss. It would be nice if all of us could come up with a perfect, infallible life plan. Our life lessons would be accomplished quickly and easily, and we would never miss the point of any relationship or any situation. In that case, life would be simple, life would be good. But life doesn't work like that, and neither do life plans. The greatest challenge at this juncture on our personal path to growth is coming to recognize and respect plan at play in our lives. Life always brings challenges to deal with. Struggle and strife have come as standard accessories with the package deal of this cruise. When those difficult moments come, you have a choice. Instead of being swept away into an emotional flurry or numb depression, you can see such times with some objectivity. Then, even if part of you goes into some agitation or sadness here and there, you can still be aware of the part of you that's witnessing all the play of your life. The still point of the turning world that exists inside of you. From that place, you can remind yourself that after every storm, there is a chance to awaken into a new golden sky and find colorful new rainbows to delight your heart, nourish your soul, and rose your spirit. I won't go so far to ask you to seek problems. However, I would suggest that if you spend less time running away from problems and trying to rid yourself of them, you will sooner discover that life can be less of a battle. Everyone makes blunders. Only the spiritually inclined can turn them into knowledge for progress. Spiritual advancement comes from improving one's behavior. It comes from learning from one's mistakes. Mistakes are wonderful opportunities to learn. Thank you for being and listening with me. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and have a wonderful day ahead.